السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي زدني علما، ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. اللهم صل على محمد النبي الأمي وعلى آله وسلم تسليما. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, today I'd like to share very important things. We are searching, all Mu'min, they are searching in the month of Ramadan, especially last 10th day. They are searching that things. What is that? That is none other than night of Qadr, Lailatul Qader. And we are searching. We have passed a few days, and there are some days we will get this Lailatul Qader, night of Qadr, inshallah. That's why I would like to share that sign. Those signs were narrated in Hadith, say Bukhari and say Muslim. I have got those things. Dear brothers and sisters, those signs, what are they? First of all, in Hadith they say that that night would be very dark. That night would be very dark night. I mean, you will see that darkness overflowed in everywhere. And then second sign, they will not get something very hot, or they will not get something very cold. Then the situation will be not very cold, not very hot. In the middle, they will be able to worship very attentively. And another sign is that they will get satisfaction if they worship. They will get something flavor in their worship. They get satisfaction. Alhamdulillah, I'm getting pleasure in my heart. Alhamdulillah, I'm getting barakah in my worships. They will get some things. And then another sign is that then there will be wind, a cold wind will flow, and that will touch your heart. And another one is some rain can drop at that night. Some rain can be dropped in that night, and something will get that in that next day, after the night of Lailatul Qadr, that day sun will rise up, and then the sun shining, it will be very soft sun shining will spread everywhere after the night of Lailatul Qadr. And another sign is some women who are actually staying at the i'tikaf, they will realize Allah will actually create, if they are very good one, Allah will create inside of their heart that they will be able to understand, Alhamdulillah, this is night of Lailatul Qadr, night of Qadr. They will be able to realize. Dear brothers and sisters, I have shared those signs. If you start your prayer, worship as much as you can, and connect with Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make a love relation with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and get everything. Try to say this dua again and again. Allahumma innaka afoon tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Oh my Lord, innaka afoon, you are such Lord who can remove my sins and who can change that sins in virtues. You are such Allah. Afoon means this one. And innaka afoon tuhibbul afwa, that things you want to, you love to do that. Fa'fu anni. That's why, oh my Lord, that's why remove my all sins and transfer those sins into virtues. Oh my Lord, accept such things from me. You can make dua again and again like this way. Dear brothers and sisters, share this video with your friend circle, and in this way you will get also virtues, because it's one sadaqah, you will get one virtues because of this. Dear brothers and sisters, Let's do connect with Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at the night of Qadr, and pray for me so that Allah can accept me, Allah can forgive me. May Allah forgive us all, and may Allah grant us all for the night or for the blessings of night of Qadr. Ameen. Thank you, brothers and sisters all. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.